Now we want to look at the relationship that exists between the wavelength and frequency of waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. Remember, if you would like to review your vocabulary at any point, just click on the icon in your digital notebook and it will take you out to a Quizlet game where you can review your definitions. Wavelength is the distance from crest to crest or trough to trough, and frequency is how many wave cycles pass a given point in a second. Take a look at this image. Compare the two sets of waves. Do you see a pattern? What do you think that pattern is? On slide 12 in your notebook is access to the CK12 Plix. You should be automatically logged into the Plix since we frequently use it. But if you're not, just log in with your school Google account. Your instructions for this activity are on the slide, but I just want to preview some of the tools in case you're unsure. So go ahead, click on the rainbow, and it will take you out to the Plix. Welcome to the Plix. Notice your toolbar is here at the top. This is where you will find the tutorial that you need to watch and the challenge me questions that you need to answer. Right below that is the slider that is mentioned in the tutorial. Notice, as you move the slider back and forth, the picture changes. You need to take note of that. Finally, you will also be changing the frequency. It is here that you're going to develop the relationship between wavelength and frequency. If you just move this slider to the right and to the left, you will notice that the frequency changes. Move the slider, press play, and take note of the pictures and try to figure out the pattern of the waves. Good luck, and as always, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me.